Yo, what's going on, guys? Today's a hot one. This is mostly an update, guys, because today's May 12th. It's Monday. It's gonna be in the hundreds this whole week, and I'm gonna try to film like this. So the car's under here because it's just too hot. And I did the window. So the window goes down now, real nice. Next is gonna be the hinge, because I can't pick it up. It's too heavy from there. So the door's loose. It hangs. It won't close. I'm gonna see if I can adjust those. I got on here said that they can be adjusted, but I'm gonna see. And if not, I got the tool to fix it. Oh, that looks crooked to me. No. But yeah, I got the window to work and everything, guys. Let's see. Let me show you. Let's put the key in. This one's gonna go all the way down. Oh, it even goes real nice. So there's the window. Found all the bolts and stuff. I had a bunch of bolts laying around, so always keep your bolts and nuts. Those I've had laying around. Those I had laying around. Those are actually really long. I might cut those with the Dremel. And well, those were already there. The bar, this bar, the new one is over there. That's why it looks really nice. This is the old one, because if you can see, let's see, where's the hole? Let's see. That rivet right there. That rivet right there, you see. That thing was hard to get and hard to take out, guys. That sucker is hard to get out right there. I couldn't get it, so I was like, what am I doing trying to take that out? And taking out the other rivets were freaking hard. I should have... It's so straightforward, guys. Like, you're drilling them out with a drill. Like, I guess I should have filmed it, but when I do the passenger one, I mean the driver's side one, I'll show you that one. This one I had to figure out and do some stuff. I even had to glue. Let's see if I can get it in here. No, I probably can't. There was a piece that I had to glue. It's the part that holds the window in the track on this side. So this track goes up, and it's a piece that sticks onto the window and slides. And on that other driver's side, it didn't have it. This one was broken off, falling in there. Got some E6000, super adhesive, super strength. Waited 72 hours, and then started putting it up and down. But I also put a lot of red grease. That's not the grease to use. That's more like, that's bearing grease. It has a drop point of like 500, and it's not gonna get 500 degrees to where that's melting off. So I need to get something better. It's already in there. Freak it. Grease is grease, I guess. But they can be better grease to be putting in door actuators and stuff like that. But I wanted to show you guys this video because I know I don't make videos. And yeah, it's just been very hot, guys. And honestly, I don't have nothing else to fix. If anything, we're gonna do the door hinges next, and that's it, because I have no more parts to put into this car. I'd have like the steering wheel, but I want to get the steering wheel fixed before. I have this part to put on, brand new. Not brand new, but it's used. Looks the paint job on this part looks newer than the whole thing I think I showed you. But it takes a bolt. Where's the damn hole? Right there where you see that little white square. The bolt goes in there, and I don't have that bolt. I don't even know what size that bolt is. I have to take off the whole fender, or maybe, yeah, to figure out that splash shield and everything that I put on. So I got to do that. And this is the motor. See how it's pointing down? The way it's configured, like you see on camera, is the way that it's supposed to be installed. Okay, that motor is down like I'm saying. So that's how it's supposed to be. What else? I guess that's it, guys. Just wanted to give you an update. I guess the next job is going to be the the hinges. And after that, save some money so I can get some speakers, get the radio put in, because I got the whole dash thing to hold the radio and everything, so put that in already. I haven't put the door cards yet because I want to put the speakers. And after that, then I can put my door cards so I don't have to worry about the windows. Now they work. And that's it, guys. It's so hot, guys. I'm already sweating. Oh, I'm sweating so hot. Cut the grass the other day. I need to buy some weed eating fluid so I can do the fence and do the whole sides because it looks like crap. Look at that. But yeah, it just took me 2 hours to weed it the whole back and the whole front. And then I did inside there. I gotta do my grandma's probably in a couple days. I'm gonna wait till it gets bigger so it can cut nice. But yeah, guys, it's so hot. It's been hot. Hey, the war rig. I see you, little war riggy. Hey, he's just chilling there. That too, guys. I'm gonna have to save some money so I can get me the, what you want to call it, the grill for it. I think it's $700. So I'm gonna get that. I guess that's it, guys. The Mustang's running good. All the windows work, except that other one doesn't go down. I have to buy another one that's like $40 some. It is what it is. Always look into that, guys. I wanted to show you. I think this is for the Mustangs. I think it's from 1994 to 98 or maybe 2004. I don't know. I only have a 98. I never did nothing on my other GTs when I used to have them. I used to have another one. I never did the windows on that because the windows worked. And yeah, for this one, doing the windows, the motor has to be down. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.